Ya total. Oh, feedback ka ba niya?
Bali yang kuan yang sana whiskey ba ada di pwede raw di mga ball pwede siya pwede mga taon pwede raw buka mo live voice announcement ani
Pwede na kada mag-live voice.
then mo niya to ang ghost tech microphone is 10 zone na po naka 10 zone then dapat tayo triggering dire para sa voice feedback kung kanyang alarm so try na to pati mo
Attention, we are investigating the cause of the fire alarm. Please stand by for more instructions.
yes, na siya yung pre-recorded then dapat siya evacuation
Attention, there is a fire in the building. Stay calm and get out using the nearest exits and staircases now. Attention, there is a fire in the building. Stay calm and get out using the nearest exits and staircases now.
dapat siya i-pause
Attention, it was a false alarm. It is safe to remain in the building. Thank you.
then dapat siya i-clear
Attention. Attention, the situation is under control. It is safe to stay in the building. Thank you.
so i-trigger nimo sa iyang emergency tanan zones nimo automatic yan sige na then kini na sa button nga kuan optional link ano ni siya i-bluetooth so naabot ay chime na para may hindi mo lang dito na kuan so kining horn na to ano siya tapping point up to 30 watts then 70 to 100 volts na siya 5, 10, 15 to 30 so makaselect ka 3 ka terminals
Analog yan, sir. Analog pa yan.
yes analog sir
Depende.
depende sa watts mo